Hello everyone, it's me Ekta Singh. I'm going to start chapter 1 Environment of class 7th. This is very interesting chapter as you all know very well about your environment, the things which you observe your surroundings. This chapter is started with the story of Ravi. There is a story of Ravi, his imaginary boy. Ravi goes his school after summer vacation. Then there are so many things that are totally changed. He observed the changes and the playground which he liked most in the school. There were so many changes. So Ravi was in almost in tears. He asked to his principal and his principal addressed him that our environment is changing. Then Ravi asked what is environment to his social science teacher. So let's start. His teacher tells him environment whatever see in our surroundings. Whatever we see in our surroundings, that is what? That is our environment. It provides us air, water, and land. That's why we can say that environment is our basic life support system. Yes, some are natural environment and some are human-made environment. Like this is notebook. This is the human-made environment. Like air, water, food, land is our natural environment. Is that clear? So in this chapter, we are going to study these topics like components of environment which are coming in biotic and abiotic. Next is natural environment and the next is one human environment. Let's start. The next topic is your components of environment. As you all know that for drink we need to water, for eating we need to food, and for breathing we need to oxygen. That's all things found in our environment. Components of environment. Which are the components of environment? As I told you, you will not include only natural things in environment. You have to also consider human made environment, place, people, things, and nature that surround any living organism is called environment. The components of environment is natural environment and human environment. Natural environment is biotic and abiotic. What is biotic? The world of living organism. Examples like plants and animals. And abiotic, the world of non-living organism. Elements like land. Come to the next topic, human environment. As you all know very well, what is human environment? Activities, creation, interaction among human beings. Whatever they interact, they who? Human. Whatever they interact, construct, create, include in the human environment. Come to the next topic, natural environment. What is natural environment? Natural environment, land, water, air, plants and animals comprises the natural environments. We can categorize it in three categories: lithosphere, hydrosphere and atmosphere. As you all know very well these types of domains of environment. Lithosphere, solid crust on the hard top layer of the earth, made up of rocks and minerals and covered by thin layer of soil. Lithosphere is a domain that provides us forest, grassland for grazing, for agriculture and human settlement. Come to the next, hydrosphere. The domains of water is called hydrosphere. It is essential for all living organisms. It comprises various sources of water, river, ocean, lakes, pond, etc. Next is atmosphere. The thin layer of air surrounding the atmosphere. It protects us from the harmful rays and scorching heat of the sun. It consists of number of gases, dust and water vapor. You all know that where all spheres are interacted, that is biosphere. Biosphere is a narrow zone where life form is possible. Life form, you can say that where we found land, air, water for our survival. Come to the next topic, ecosystem. What is ecosystem? All living organisms means like fish, shark, man, cow. We are coming in the ecosystem, a system formed by the interaction of all living beings. I have told you what the meaning of all living organism like fish, shark, man, cow with each other and all linked by transfer of energy and material. This story of Ravi, he was at his NCC camp. The ecosystem, it is started with the story of Ravi NCC camp. He is with his friend. One of his friends said, "How lovely is this rain? I feel as live in Kerala." But another friend said, "I am from Rajasthan, but there is very low rainfall. But there are so many desert animals like camels." In this sense, we notice that in different areas we found different environments. Means all plants, animals and human beings depends on their immediate surroundings. That's why relation between the living organism and their surrounding forms an ecosystem. Samples: rainforest, grassland, desert, lake, pond, etc. Human environment. As you all know very well, familiar with human environment, I have told you also environment created by human being by interacting with it and modify it according to their need. Human learns new ways to use and change environment. How? First step, started growing crops. Second, domesticated animals and lead settled life. Example like invention of wheel, production surplus food, etc. So, no doubt, today we are able to achieve whatever we want through interacting with environment, but humans must learn to live and use their environment in harmonious way. Thank you. Have a nice day.